This is Seedling. Today we'll go on an adventure. He loves to go on walks. Okay, now wait for me. Looks like Seedling found something. It's a little ditch. It may have been dug a long time ago. He seems very proud. He even found some flowers. Can you identify them? Seedling, don't eat those. Let's find something else to eat. He found something. A wild strawberry. They are very small in nature. It is very sweet. Seedling had fun today. Hope you enjoyed the video.